Hi, today we will discuss about pinhole camera and we will also see how to make a pinhole camera and see the working of pinhole camera. So let's start. What is pinhole camera? A pinhole camera is a simple camera without lens. It works on the principle of rectilinear propagation of light. What is rectilinear propagation of light? Rectilinear propagation of light means light travels in straight line. Let's see an example to understand better. In this picture, a girl sees a flame using a pipe. In the first picture, the girl sees a flame using straight pipe. So she can see the flame. But when she uses a bent pipe, she cannot see the flame. This is because light travels in straight line. The image formed by a pinhole camera is always smaller than the real object. The image is always inverted. So this is the real object. And the second one is the image formed by pinhole camera. See, it is inverted and it is smaller than the real object. Now we will make a pinhole camera. We need chart paper, 2:1/4 size chart paper, and then we need glue, acrylic paints and cello tape. Now we need to fold this paper like this to make a cylinder. One should be smaller and one should be bigger. The smaller one should go inside the bigger one. So after making this, I have colored it and I got two cylinders. Now I have made translucent paper using oil and a white paper. Just we need to spread oil on the white paper. Now I have made this. I need to put it on the top of the smaller cylinder here. Now we need to attach it using a cello tape. Okay, now I have attached it. Now we need to get a cardboard and color it black and make a pinhole in the middle, and we need to put it on the top of the bigger cylinder. Okay, now I have attached it. Our pinhole camera is ready. Just we need to put this small one inside the big one like this. Let's see how it works. Let's see how pinhole camera works when we see a candle. Through the pinhole camera, we can see that the flame is inverted. Now, let's see how pinhole camera works. When the light rays coming from the top of the tree falls on the bottom of the screen and the light rays coming from the bottom of the tree falls on the top of the screen, it makes an inverted image of the real image on the screen. So, this is how the pinhole camera works. Now let's see how the size of an image created by a pinhole camera changes. It can change due to the distance between object and the pinhole, and it can change due to the distance between the pinhole and the screen. If the distance between the object and the pinhole is less, then the image will be bigger, and if the distance between the object and the pinhole is more, then the image will be smaller. If the distance between the pinhole and the screen is more, then the image will be bigger. And if the distance between the pinhole and the screen is less, then the image will be smaller. Does any changes happen in the image when we make the pinhole smaller or bigger? Yes. When we make the pinhole smaller, less light rays will pass and it will not be bright, which will make it clearer. And if the pinhole is large, then many light rays will come inside the pinhole and the image will be brighter, which will make it blur. So now we know all about the working of pinhole and about pinhole camera and how to make a pinhole camera. Thank you.